The Jamaica Public Service JPS says its operations team is working to fix a leaning light post that has residents of Santa Cruz St. Elizabeth worried and on edge. Krista Campbell reports.
In the heart of the busy Santa Cruz Square in St. Elizabeth, adults and kids walk by on their regular Friday commute home. Motorists also drive by oblivious to what some residents say is an accident waiting to happen.
Every evening me I pass me and look up, say to go drop down, kill me. Yes, I'm me happy. The funny post, I see it man, and every day I see it and pass. I'm scared of it man, as me pass me run. Trust me, I'm so scared of this post. You know, like, me just feel set to go drop away anything now.
Them big units here pass through, can grab the wire anytime and pull it down for people. So I hope the government and JPS have money to pay people when the light post drop on them.
It's one more thing the people of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth say they have to contend with every day, even as they continue to rebuild after the devastating Category 5 Hurricane Melissa that changed the face of the parish on October 25, 2025. In fact, they say the hurricane left the light post leaning, and they're urging the Jamaica Public Service JPS to act urgently to fix it.
Sooner or later, it's about job. It is either the light post be replaced or it move.
JPS must come and deal with it urgently too. Because with the whole area now, water and so we are fall, can cause problem.
Especially when all rainfall and so forth. When the light post is there, nobody can walk on the sidewalk. If you walk out in the street and it can cause accident.
Since January 2026, there's been rainfall almost every day in Santa Cruz and surrounding areas, causing wide-scale flooding from waterlogged drains, which have been criticized as outdated and inadequate for the growing town. For its part, JPS says there are reinforcements in place and the pole does not pose an immediate danger to the public. The power company says it had previously scheduled a maintenance outage to fix the leaning pole, but this had to be postponed due to inclement weather. However, it says the corrective work should be done in the coming week. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.